Today we're going to work Module 3, Lesson 3. We'll be demonstrating understanding of area and perimeter formulas, which we've been working with the last 2 days by solving multi-step real-world problems. So we're going to work through the problem set together. If you have your Learn book, the problem set is pages 15 and the back of that page, which is 16 in your book. If you don't have your book with you, then you can just follow along and work on a piece of paper. If you need to go grab anything, then go ahead and pause the video. And we'll get started. Number 1 says that the rectangular projection screen in the school auditorium is 5 times as long and 5 times as wide as the rectangular screen in the library. The screen in the library is 4 feet long with a perimeter of 14 feet. What is the perimeter of the screen in the auditorium? So in the library, we have a screen that's a rectangle. We know that it is 4 feet long. We know the perimeter equals 14 feet, but that's all we know. We know the projection screen in the auditorium is 5 times as long and 5 times as wide as the one in the library. So all we'll know about the auditorium is that it's 5 times as long as 4 feet. So 5 times 4 gets 20. But we don't know anything else. So before we can find the perimeter of the screen in the in the auditorium, we're going to have to figure out the width of the screen that's in the library. So we're going to do that by applying what we know about perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the measure around the outside of a shape. So to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we're going to add up all the sides. I know if this side is 4 feet, then the opposite side has to be 4 feet as well. So if I add those two sides together, 4 feet plus 4 feet equals 8 feet. That tells me that my other two sides, this side, the width, and the opposite width here, are going to have to total up to equal 6 feet. I know that because my total perimeter is 14 feet. The top and the bottom have used 8 of those feet. 4 plus 4 is 8. So that means that I have 6 feet left. And I need to split those 6 feet in between the two sides that are unknown. So I know that half of 6 is 3. So now if I add up all the sides of the screen in the library, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and if I add those together, 6 plus 8 equals 14, and that's what it told me the perimeter of the screen in the library was. So now we've found the width of the library's projection screen. So let's go back to our original question. What is the perimeter of the screen in the auditorium? So remember, it told us it was 5 times as long, so we've already figured that to be 20 feet, and it's 5 times as wide. So 5 times as wide as the library's projection screen. We found out that was 3 feet. So 5 times 3 feet equals 15 feet. So now I know that the length is 20 feet. The width is 15 feet. By definition of a rectangle, if this side is 15 feet, then the opposite side is going to be 15 feet as well. If this is 20 feet, this will be 20 feet as well, because remember, the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. So now to find the perimeter, I just need to add up all the sides. So 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 15. 20 plus 20 makes 40. 15 plus 15 makes 30. And if I add 40 plus 30 together, my perimeter is 70 feet. So the perimeter of the auditorium screen is 70 feet. Now if I go on to number 2, the width of David's rectangular tent is 5 feet. The length is twice the width. David's rectangular air mattress measures 3 feet by 6 feet. If David puts the air mattress in the tent, how many square feet of floor space will be available for the rest of his things? So this is going to be a little bit different. Let's visualize what's actually happening in this problem. So David has a rectangular tent. So here's David's tent. It says that the width is 5 feet. Tells me that right here in the problem. The length is twice the width. So 2 times the width of 5 feet is going to be 10 feet. Now I'm going to switch colors. David's rectangular air mattress measures 3 feet by 6 feet. If David puts the air mattress in the tent, how many square feet of floor space will be available for the rest of his things? So he's going to put his air mattress inside here. And his air mattress is 3 feet wide by 6 feet long. Told us that up there in the problem. So all this space right here is taken up by David's air mattress. So what we're solving for is how much space or how many square feet of floor space he'll have left for the rest of his things. So the blue represents the space that's taken up with the air mattress. And we have to figure out all of this that's left. So I'm first going to have to find the area of David's tent. Area equals length times width. His tent is 10 feet long times 5 feet wide. 10 times 5 equals 50. So his area of the tent is equal to 50 square feet. That's the total amount of space that he has in the tent. But remember that he's using some of that space for his air mattress. So now we have to figure out how much area that air mattress is taking up. So we're going to find the area of the air mattress by finding its length times its width. It's 6 feet long times 3 feet wide. If I multiply 6 times 3, I'll get 18 square feet for the air mattress. All right, so now what? We know the area of the whole tent. We know what's taken up by the air mattress. So now I'm going to have to subtract to figure out the amount of space that we have left. So if the total amount of space is 50 square feet, and I take away 18 square feet that's taken up by the air mattress, that leaves me with 32 square feet. So there will be 32 square feet of floor space for the rest of David's things. Moving on to question number 3. Jackson's rectangular bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. I'm going to underline that. That's probably going to be important in the problem. The area of his bedroom is 9 times that of his rectangular closet. So his bedroom is 9 times the area of his closet. If the closet is 2 feet wide, what is its length? All right, we're going to have to do some thinking on this problem. Let's read that one more time. Jackson's rectangular bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. The area of his bedroom is 9 times that of his rectangular closet. If the closet is 2 feet wide, what is the length? So let's think, would the bedroom or the closet be bigger? Of course his bedroom's going to be a lot bigger than his closet. So we know we'll make this rectangle represent his bedroom. Area equals 90 square feet. And we know that's 9 times that of his closet. So 90 is, the area of his bedroom is, remember we can substitute the word equals, 9 times the area of his closet. So that's my unknown, or what's missing. 90 equals 9 times what number? Of course, that's going to be 10. So that tells me that his closet has an area of 10 square feet. So I'm going to write that down. Closet area equals 10 square feet. Now, we'll just sketch out, we'll pretend like this right here is his closet. I know that the total area is 10 square feet. All of his closet space takes up 10 square feet. I know that it's 2 feet wide, and I'm missing the length. So I can now apply the area formula. Area equals length times width. We found out that the area earlier the area is equal to 10 square feet. I don't know the length, but I do know that the width is 2 feet. So 10 equals what number times 2? Of course, we know that 5 times 2 equals 10. So our length is going to be 5 feet.